Are you gonna be playing like time lapse music over this?
Nah, we just gonna talk, I guess. What's up, y'all? This fans of Houston. I'm here with this Harbor Breeze, Springfield. This is high speed, by the way. So that's the reason why it's out here instead of on the ceiling. Test the water real quick.
Damn. Oh, that's them beats knocking. They beat knocking. Wanna take a first hit at it, man? See what it's hitting on? You better. Oh, shit. I don't think you got a good swing. Like,
Nah, that wasn't a good swing. Hit that bitch.
Whew. Damn. Okay. Go ahead. Let me see something, Ray. Show him something, Ray. Just like that. Rub it right on. Go ahead. Ooh, that was a good one. It's going to the moon. I hate you, bitch. I didn't want to have to do this to you. Now the kids.
Rest in peace.
I mean that bitch dead. You can't hear it. This is safe. Yeah, that's all I was trying to pop open the lid. Dang.